Good day to all employers. I'm Elvife Pasicolan, 20 years of age, a single mother from Philippines. I'm a domestic helper year 2019 to 2021 from my country. I'm taking care of children with the age of 5 and 7 years old. I do household chores like cooking Filipino dishes, marketing, housekeeping, doing laundries, and ironing. I work also in a cafe restaurant in 2022 to 2025 as a kitchen helper. I'm a hardworking, dedicated, and willing to work the task given. I want to work for the future of my kids. I am willing to share work with mates, and I can taking care of elderly. If you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duty, and I promise to finish my contract with you as long as you need me. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.